Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to your channel name, where we bring you creative, budget-friendly, and practical DIY solutions for your home. You know how much I love a good transformation, and today we're tackling a space that's near and dear to my heart, the kitchen. Today's video is all about giving your kitchen a fresh, stylish, and functional makeover, without spending a fortune. We're going to roll up our sleeves and dive into some easy DIY projects that will completely transform this space. Get ready for clever storage solutions, a DIY backsplash upgrade, a budget-friendly countertop revamp, creative cabinet makeovers, and those fun little decorative accents that make a house a home. These simple DIYs will leave your kitchen feeling more organized, more stylish, and more. So grab your tools, y'all, and let's get started. Let's be honest, kitchens can get a little crazy, right? Pots and pans overflowing, spices hiding in the back of cabinets. It happens to the best of us. But a clutter-free kitchen just makes life easier. It saves time, reduces stress, and let's be honest, it just looks so much better. First things first, let's maximize that cabinet space. Tension rods are a lifesaver under the sink. You can hang cleaning bottles, dishcloths, even those awkward baking sheets. Hanging baskets are another great way to add storage without breaking the bank. Tuck them under cabinets or shelves to store everything from snacks to cleaning supplies. And don't forget the walls. A pegboard is like the Swiss Army knife of kitchen organization. Hang pots, utensils, measuring cups, whatever you need to keep within arm's reach. See? Simple solutions can make a world of difference. Now let's talk backsplashes. They're like the jewelry of the kitchen. They add that extra sparkle and personality. But replacing a backsplash can get pricey. That's where peel and stick tiles come in. They're renter-friendly, budget-friendly, and they look amazing. First things first, give your existing backsplash or wall a good clean. Measure twice, cut once. You know the drill. Then starting from one corner, peel and stick those tiles using a level to make sure everything stays straight. You can use a little tile adhesive for extra staying power, but honestly, the peel and stick technology is pretty amazing these days. And just like that, you've got a brand new backsplash that looks like $1,000,000. Okay, countertops. They're the workhorses of the kitchen, but replacing them can cost a pretty penny. But guess what? You can achieve a high-end look for a fraction of the cost with a little contact paper magic. Contact paper comes in so many finishes these days. Marble, wood, granite, you name it. And it's surprisingly easy to work with. Just make sure your countertop is clean and dry, then measure and cut your contact paper to fit. Peel, stick, and smooth out any air bubbles with a squeegee or even a credit card. For extra durability, seal the edges with some clear sealant, and voila! You've got a fresh, modern countertop that looks like it came straight out of a magazine. Now let's give those cabinets some love. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, and it's a lot more affordable than replacing them altogether. Start by giving your cabinets a light sanding to create a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to. Then apply a coat of primer, followed by 2 coats of your favorite cabinet paint. I like to use chalk paint for a vintage feel or semi-gloss for a more modern look. Once the paint is dry, it's time to swap out those old cabinet handles and knobs. This is a small change that makes a huge difference. Choose hardware that complements your new paint color and your kitchen's overall style. And if you're feeling really ambitious, consider adding some open shelving. It's a great way to display pretty dishes, cookbooks, or decorative items, and it can make your kitchen feel more open and airy. Okay, y'all, we're in the home stretch. Now comes the fun part, adding those finishing touches that make your kitchen feel like your kitchen. Floating shelves are a great way to add storage and style at the same time. Use them to display pretty coffee mugs, spice jars, or even small plants. A DIY chalkboard is perfect for grocery lists, meal plans, or just a sweet little note for your family. And don't forget the power of artwork. Framed recipe prints, vintage kitchen ads, or even a beautiful piece of art that complements your kitchen's color scheme can really tie the whole space together. And that's it! Your kitchen is now organized, stylish, and totally transformed. Doesn't it feel amazing? Remember, DIY is all about making your home a reflection of you, so don't be afraid to put your own spin on these projects. Which DIY solution was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you try any of these DIYs yourself, please share your photos. Tagging me in your pictures would make my day. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming DIY adventures. Thanks for watching, y'all, and happy DIYing! Gap 3S. Now that your kitchen is looking fabulous, let's talk about the final touch lighting. Good lighting can completely transform your space, making it feel warm, inviting, and functional. First up, task lighting. Install under-cabinet lights to brighten up your countertops and make food prep a breeze. Stock video under-cabinet lights being installed. Next, consider ambient lighting. Pendant lights over your island or dining table not only provide essential light but also add a stylish focal point. Stock video pendant lights being turned on. Don't forget about accent lighting. Use strip lights inside glass cabinets or above open shelves to highlight your beautiful dishware and decor. Stock video strip lights inside cabinets. Lastly, dimmer switches allow you to control the mood of your kitchen, whether you're cooking a family meal or hosting a cozy dinner party. Stock video person adjusting dimmer switch. Remember, the right lighting can make all the difference. Try these tips and watch your kitchen shine. Stock video kitchen with various lighting. And that's a wrap on our kitchen makeover series. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Stock video, smiling face, thumbs up. Gap 3S. Now that your kitchen is not only beautiful but also well lit, let's take it a step further with some sustainable practices. First, consider swapping out your traditional cleaning products for eco-friendly alternatives. Stock video person using eco-friendly cleaning products. These are not only better for the environment but also safer for your family. Next, think about reducing food waste. Stock video person composting food waste. Start a compost bin or use food scraps for homemade broth. Stock video, making broth from food scraps. Another great tip is to invest in reusable kitchen items. Stock video, reusable kitchen items like beeswax wraps and silicone bags. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and hello to a greener kitchen. Stock video person using glass jars for storage. Don't forget energy efficiency. Stock video person using energy-efficient appliances. Opt for energy-efficient appliances and LED bulbs to cut down on electricity usage. Stock video, LED bulbs being installed. Even small changes like using a dishwasher instead of hand washing can save water. Stock video person loading dishwasher. Lastly, consider sourcing local and organic produce. Stock video person picking vegetables from a local market. Supporting local farmers reduces your carbon footprint and ensures fresher ingredients. Stock video, fresh vegetables on a kitchen counter. By integrating these sustainable practices, you'll not only have a stunning kitchen, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Stock video, eco-friendly kitchen with plants. Thanks for watching. And remember, every small change counts. Stock video, thumbs up. Gap 2S. Now that your kitchen is well lit and sustainable, let's focus on the final touches and maintenance. First, consider adding some personal touches like framed photos or a small herb garden. Stock video person placing framed photos on a shelf. These small details can make your kitchen feel truly yours. Stock video person setting up a small herb garden on the windowsill. Next, think about seasonal decor. Stock video person hanging seasonal decorations. Swapping out decor items for each season can keep your kitchen feeling fresh and inviting. Stock video kitchen with seasonal decor. Don't forget about maintenance. Regularly clean your appliances to keep them running efficiently. Stock video person cleaning a stovetop. This includes descaling your coffee maker and cleaning out your oven. Stock video person descaling a coffee maker. Also, keep an eye on your grout and caulking and replace them as needed to prevent mold and mildew. Stock video person recaulking kitchen tiles. Lastly, organize your pantry and cabinets periodically. Stock video person organizing pantry. This will help you keep track of your inventory and reduce food waste. Stock video organize pantry with labeled jars. By focusing on these final touches and maintenance tips, you'll ensure that your dream kitchen remains functional and beautiful for years to come. Stock video person standing in a clean, well-maintained kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this kitchen makeover journey. Stock video person giving a thumbs up.